Good morning, children. Today in Surface Areas and Volumes Part 4, we are going to study about cone and its surface area. Right circular cone. A cone is a 3D figure with one curved surface and a base surface as a circle. A right circular cone is a cone where the axis of the cone is the line meeting the vertex to the midpoint of the circular base, that is, the center point of the circular base is joined with the apex of the cone and it forms a right angle. A right circular cone is a cone in which the altitude or height is exactly perpendicular to the radius of the circle. Surface area of a right circular cone. The surface area of a cone is equal to the sum of the circular base area and the lateral surface area. Also, the curved surface area of a right circular cone equal the perimeter of the base multiplied with 1/2 of the slant height. Consider a cone of height h and radius r and slant height l. We can say CSA is equal to pi r l, where l is the slant height we can find using square root of h square plus r square. TSA is equal to CSA plus area of the base, which is pi rl plus pi r square. Taking pi and r common, it will be pi r into r plus l. Let us start exercise 13.3 in page number 221. Question number 1. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. We can see a cone with diameter 10.5 and slant height equal to 10. Since diameter is given as 10.5, we can find radius is equal to 10.5 divided by 2, which is 5.25 centimeter. CSA is equal to pi rl, which is 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 10, which is equal to 165 centimeter square. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of the base is 24 meter. Again, diameter is given as 24 meter, therefore we can say radius is equal to 12 meter. Slant height is given 21 meter. TSA, we can see the formula is pi r into r plus l, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 12 into 12 plus 21, which is 22 by 7 into 12 into 33, which is 1244.57 meter square. In question number 3, we are given curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. We are given slant height of the cone is 14 centimeter and CSA of the cone is 308 centimeter square. Substituting the formula, we can say it will be pi rl is equal to 308. Therefore, we can write 22 by 7 into r into 14 is equal to 308, which is 22 into r into 2 equal to 308, and therefore r is equal to 308 by 44, which is equal to 7 centimeter. To find the total surface area of the cone, we know it is pi r into r plus l, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 multiplied with 7 plus 14, which is 22 by 7 into 7 into 21, which is 462 centimeter square. Question number 4. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find the slant height of the tent. Also, we need to find cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of a meter square canvas is rupees 70. We are given height of the cone is 10 meter and radius of the cone is 24 meter. Therefore, we can find slant height of the cone L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, which is equal to square root of 10 square plus 24 square, which is square root of 100 plus 576 equal to square root of 676, and it is 26 meter. To find a canvas required for making the tent, we need to find the CSA, which is equal to pi RL, which is 22 by 7 into 24 into 26, which is 13,728 by 7. We are given cost of 1 meter square canvas as 70 rupees. Therefore, cost of 13,728 by 7 meter square of canvas, it will be 70 into 13,728 by 7, which is equal to rupees 1,37,280. Question number 5. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. We are given height of the conical tent is 8 meter and radius of the tent is 6 meter. Let us find the slant height of the tent. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Substituting the values, we can see slant height as 10 meter. We are given area of the tarpaulin is equal to curved surface area of the tent, which is pi RL equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10, which is 188.4 meter square. Since tarpaulin cloth is in the shape of a rectangle, we can say area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and breadth of the cloth is 3 meter. Also, area of the tarpaulin cloth used will be same as CSA of the tent, that is length into 3 equal to 188.4. Therefore, length is equal to 188.4 by 3, which is 62.8 meter. We are given the extra length of the material required for stitching margins and cutting is 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meter. Therefore, the total length of the tarpaulin cloth is 62.8 plus 0.2 meter, which is 63 meter. Question number 6. The slant height and base diameter of a conical dome are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. We are given slant height as 25 meter and diameter is 14 meter. Therefore, radius will be 7 meter. To find the cost of whitewashing, we should find how much area it is. Therefore, CSA is pi RL equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into 25, which is 550 meter square. We are given the cost of whitewashing 100 meter square is 210 rupees. Therefore, cost of whitewashing 1 meter square will be 2 rupees 10 paise. To find the cost of whitewashing the tomb, it is 550 into 2.10, which is 1155. Question number 8. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 cm and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? We are asked to take the value of pi as 3.14 and square root of 1.04 as 1.02 meter. We are given diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore, radius will be 20 centimeter, which is 0.2 meter. Height is given as 1 meter. Slant height, which is equal to square root of x square plus r square. Substituting the values, we can see it will be 1 square plus 0.2 square equal to square root of 1 plus 0.04 equal to square root of 1.04, which is 1.02 meter. CSA of the cone will be pi RL equal to 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02, which is 0.64056 meter square. We are given cost of painting 1 meter square is 12 rupees. Therefore, cost of painting 0.64056 meter square will be rupees 7.68672. As we are having 50 such cones, cost of painting 50 cones will be 50 into 7.68672, which is 384 rupees 34 paise.